Welcome to my channel Art and Craft plus Education Classic. Wish you all a very happy Rakshabandhan. So today let's learn to make another Rakhi. Take a realm of thread and roll it around a hard object in this way. Then cut the end of the thread and bring it out of that hard object. Now tie a knot from the center as shown here. Now cut both the ends of the thread in this way. Take a brush and comb the strings. Repeat the same process and make another one. Again tie a knot from the center as the previous one. Now tie these two with one string, placing one above the other in this way. Again take a brush and comb the thread so that they spread all over the surface, making a circle. Now tie the string of the Rakhi. Then stick a decorative stone at the center of the Rakhi. And here the Rakhi is ready. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.